Hi, I'm Joseph.
And I'm Mackenzie.
And today we're going to do a Beanie Boo unboxing video. So as you can see, we've got our package. And this is Sky High. You've got Cuckoo. Radar. Lindy.
And these are the new ones that we're not checked
And these
yet.
are... Oh, wait. No, there's still this one. And Leanne.
And
then these are the new ones we haven't checked about. Pegasus. I've already got Pegasus, but it doesn't matter. This is Wilma. Wait, can I do one? This is Casey.
And this is Casey.
Two the same, it's fine though. And that's all of our Beanie Boos that we got today. I got so many today. That's really shocking. See ya!
Bye!